KSATAM seems thought through down to the smallest detail, but how would it actually be implemented? Where do we start and where?
The first step is to choose a medium-sized city that will be the first to adopt this innovative concept. This will not be just a pilot project, it will be a symbolic breakthrough. In that city, we will build a research and development center, a 4-kilometer test section, production halls for prefabricated parts, and the full infrastructure needed for research and testing.
So first we test and then?
After the tests are completed and the documentation is finalized, the real construction of the full network will begin, gradually, with a clear plan and strategy. First, the main transit routes will be built, for example, north-south or east-west. Why? Because this will already help reduce the number of private cars entering the city center. At the ends of these routes, temporary P+R parking areas will be created, and passengers will be able to leave their cars there and continue their trip with a KSATAM vehicle, faster, more comfortably, and at a lower cost.
And after that?
Next, we build the intermediate and local lines, reaching residential districts, shopping centers, public institutions, airports, train stations, office hubs. Then the system begins operating at full scale, with side stations, ramps, service points, parking areas, and the complete traffic management infrastructure.
That must be a massive organizational task.
Absolutely. That is why a dedicated project company will be created, for example, KSATAM SA. It will be responsible for delivering the project, obtaining permits and certifications, handling patent rights, commercialization, raising funding from EU programs, national sources, and private investors.
So from the start, we are talking about a solution that can be exported?
Exactly. The model built in one city can later be implemented in other urban areas in Poland and around the world, through licenses or public-private partnerships.